Good afternoon, good evening, everybody. The only one of your most things photographer here. Here comes Amtrak Capital Corridor Train 538. Final destination of that train is Auburn or Sacramento. Here comes CabCar 8312 Mount Inyo leading this one. CabCar 8312 Mount Inyo. It's SC-44 2124. Okay. Off goes Amtrak Capital Corridor Train 538. I don't know if it goes to Sacramento or Auburn. I guess it will continue on to Martinez, Sassoon Fairfield, Vacaville, Davis. Final stop, Sacramento Valley Station, which is your Amtrak bus connections to Stockton. Or I guess then it could be continuing on to Roseville, Rockland, then Auburn.